And so we started taking Juice Plus because I was looking to take my health back, and I didn't know how easy it really was. Didn't know what Juice Plus was going to do for me. But after 5.5 years, a short period of time, I started noticing differences. I mean, I was sleeping better, waking up with more energy. I was able to do the stretches that I was supposed to do the walking that the doctors were recommending me to do. And then sinus infections were pretty much normal for me. And then they automatically, pretty much went away. And I can tell you, after fast forward 5 years, that I'm in better shape today than I was in my early 20s. And I have none of the side effects that the doctors said I would have. There's days I do hurt, but, a good night's rest, wake up next morning, and I'm ready to go. So I will forever take Juice Plus.
So we also have a macronutrient product. These are our amazing complete shakes. Macronutrients are all about balancing our carbs, proteins, and fats. This is essential to fat loss, muscle building, and these sorts of results that people are looking for. It's often said that fitness is 20% exercise, 80% nutrition. You just can't out-train a bad diet. These are perfect for meeting people where they're at. I personally drink mine first thing in the morning with my breakfast. And I know Dominic takes his in the afternoon to kind of hold him over between lunch and supper because he's a truck driver. It's just an easy grab and go for him.
Gives me that sweet tooth that I always have, and I normally would grab a candy bar on my way home or a soda, and that pretty much cut that out because of them.
The complete shakes come in chocolate and vanilla, and if we didn't mention, it's a protein powder with loads of superfoods in it. It's vegan-based, highly bioavailable, and low glycemic. It's a great product, and for all of you snack bar fans, we have a bar version as well. And our newest product is the Omega Blend. This is a completely plant-based omega, very different to most omegas on the market today. We're not sure if you guys know this, but fish actually don't produce omegas. They get them from the food that they eat. So ours is going straight to the source. It's in a vegan capsule, which is quite revolutionary in its own rights. We've only had this product for about a year, and again, it's about bridging the gap to get those omegas in, which we love. And then we have an amazing program that goes along with the products. So anyone that decides to get on the products gets this massive added value program for free, which includes an eating guide, recipes, and amazing online support to help others get the results they are looking for. For some of you, we know you love science. There's so much science on our products. We're the most researched whole food-based product in the world. You can get with the person who invited you to learn more, but for us, it's more about the stories. It's about the stories that results the people have gotten, and I'm so excited to share some of them with you right now. So I'm going to turn it over to Lauren right now, and she's going to share with us.
Okay. Just a few short months ago, I was suffering from low energy, severe migraines, allergy-induced asthma, anxiety, and I was always catching the cold and flu bugs going around. Then my friend showed me a simple way to flood my body with 30 fruits and vegetables every single day. I can't believe the difference it has made in my health. Now, I'm thriving with energy. I went from multiple migraines a month to maybe 1 or 2 a month. My asthma and my anxiety are under control, and I never worry about the cold and flu bugs going around. I'm so thankful that my friend cared enough about me to share.
Awesome. Thanks, Lauren. All right, now we're going to turn it over to Cassandra, and she's going to share her story.
Hi, everybody. So today I'm going to share my business story, and for some of you might know I am a stay-at-home mom. And being a stay-at-home mom comes with its ups and downs. I really like spending majority of my time with my daughter and just being there for her and bonding with her. But then again, it's hard to have a life outside of being a mom. And I wanted a way to be in my community and help people out, but make money in addition. And so not too long after I got back from St. Vincent and the Grenadines with my volunteer trip, I met a very lovely lady with a big heart. Her name is Bea, and she shared Juice Plus with me. And I was vitamin deficient at the time, so I was really on board with this Juice Plus and how it was whole food. So I started taking Juice Plus, my vitamin levels went up, and I was really happy with that. So I decided to join the Juice Plus company and the mission, because I was very passionate about on how good quality the products were, and how well it's helped me and other people that I've known. So today I am working with a wonderful community of people and just inspiring this healthy living revolution around the world and sharing it. And it's great. I'm having a lot of fun and I'm really enjoying it. And I hope that you might be interested in joining me too, or if you know anyone interested in, just getting healthier, flooding their bodies with whole foods, or maybe they want to make an extra $300 to $500 a month, something like that. It's I think one of the best ways I've ever made money, actually. So I'm very thankful that Bea Matthews was kind enough to share it with me. Thanks. And I'll go ahead and turn that over to Bea, I guess, then.
Actually, we're going to hop back on. Thank you for sharing your story. All right. So thank you for sharing your stories. It was awesome to hear why you respect the Juice Plus products and what they've done for you. We think we'll finish on the product side. Because you took the time to check in and see what we're up to, and you're open to taking your health to the next level, we think you should give it a try. So get with the person who shared this with you, and they'll certainly help you get started. Now we want to segue and share a bit about the businesses. We love the Juice Plus business. It has certainly changed our lives in so many ways. Because of this Juice Plus business, we were able to purchase a 66-acre farm for the guys to hunt on. So it's just kind of been that extra bridge to help with that. The first thing we want to cover is the skepticisms. When we share this with people, it's normal to be skeptical. And if you're not skeptical, guys, we would worry about you, to be honest. The first one we want to address is the difference between traditional business and our business. In most traditional businesses, or if you work in a big company or organization, the reality is that it's cutthroat. The further you want to work yourself up the ladder, the more competitive it is. Also, staff loyalty, sticking with the same company, isn't what it used to be. The same companies easily outsource outside their companies, making it difficult for the in-house employees to move up. So basically, gone are the days from working yourself from the bottom to the top of a company. What we love about the Juice Plus company is that we all start off at the same position and we have the same opportunity. We have the ability to work ourselves up through the rankings like any company, but what's very different about the Juice Plus company is that there is no limitation to the amount of people that can get to the top. The pinnacle position in our business is what we call national marketing directors. It's very common for people to reach national marketing director. And the cool thing is that in order to have reached this position, one has to reach down and help others rise. The second thing we were skeptical about was the business like this is we thought the only way to be successful is that you had to hunt and annoy all of your friends. We can tell you this business has nothing to do with hunting or selling. And what we've gotten from events like this, it's so much more about helping people. We get to help people in two distinct areas. One area we get to help people is in health. We think we'd all agree that there are so many people out there that are looking to take their health to the next level. By recommending a program, recommending the products, from our own experience, the experience of others, that's what we do. When we first took a look at this and decided we were going to give this a try, there were people that we thought of and we knew could benefit, or we knew that they were looking for better health. We knew people who wanted to lose weight, people that struggled with their energy, allergies, constipation, eczema. We had heard their stories and we took a genuine interest in them. We found out that they were looking for a solution, and we recommended the product and the program. That's what it's about. And then the other side of the business is that we get to help people with a lifestyle and financial point of view. We don't know many people that an extra $500 to $1,000 or even $2,000 a month doesn't make a difference for. We know a lot of families where an extra income could make a huge difference. My final concern was we thought that we needed to know a lot of people in order to be successful in this type of business. We think the way that we got started in the business proves to us that we actually didn't need to know many people. So one of our downlines is Lauren, and she was the first rep that we reached out to. We helped her build her business, and she actually just fast-tracked to VF, and we're very, very proud of her. Before we knew it, there were many stories like that one. Our business was growing, and it was getting shared with people that had nothing to do with me, people that we had never met otherwise. You guys, it was hard for us to count on two hands the amount of people that we knew before this journey. Bottom line, it's not who you know, but who you know and who they know. Once we understood those three things, it was important for us to understand how we got paid. We get paid 3 different ways. The first way we get paid is retail sales profit. When we talk about retail sales profit, all we are doing is connecting with the customer with the company. The company ships the product straight to the customer, so we don't have to carry any inventory. The company bills and collects, so we don't have to deal with any exchange of money. We have customers in over 25 different countries around the world, and we can build a global business with customers that we would have never known. The second way we get paid is bonuses. We love bonuses. Who doesn't love a bonus? And there are a lot of them in our business. We know for anyone who's working a traditional business, bonuses are far and few between. It's rare that companies are giving up big bonuses unless you are giving away your life. In our business, not only do you receive bonuses yourself, but when you help others achieve them, you are rewarded too. So there's real encouragement about raising people up and helping them become successful in our business. Some of these bonuses start at $100 and $300, but some of those bonuses go up to about $10,000. It's pretty awesome to be a part of something like that. And I personally am looking forward to bonuses like that. The third way we get paid is called performance bonus. This is the residual income that is possible in your business when you get paid on a percentage of the volume of sales that goes through your entire business. You're raising people up and helping them build a business, and you get paid a performance bonus. This is the thing that has us stand out from the crowd. You're getting paid a commission on that volume. So even when we're traveling or life's happening and we can't tend to our business is still open to, which is very different from a traditional business where we had to show up in order to get paid. And because of everyone on our team has invested in the interest of growing their own businesses. Our business is growing with or without us, and it has the potential to do that for you too. So now we want to share a business story. We're going to ask Lauren to hop on and share that, please.
I currently work in the healthcare field, and I enjoy it because I love making a difference in the lives of my residents. It's very rewarding, and every day is different. The problem is my job is physically and mentally demanding, and I work a lot of long hours away from my family, including the holidays. I realized this was taking a toll on my body and my family. I was exhausted and missing out on too much. Then I found the Juice Plus company, and my life changed in a great way. I got healthier and decided to build a business helping others get healthier and have fun doing it. I loved that I could work this business anytime and anywhere, even with a busy schedule. Now I'm able to turn my passion into a paycheck and one day be able to work from home completely. And I love that I get to help others realize their dreams too.
Thank you. And we heard Cassandra's earlier, so thank you for sharing that. So thank you so much. We appreciate it. It's all the stories that definitely put clarification into this. Like we said before, it's normal to be skeptical, but we think you can't deny the stories. The stories are real.
And for us, the business made sense to us from day one, because the more I asked questions to my upline now, it was about the benefits package. And with that, I had my plans to retire when I was in my early 50s. And with the union pensions and things like that, things kind of changed in my career, and I was looking at where I wasn't going to have the health care when I retired with the years that I needed. So I kind of put that dream on hold, and then with this business came along with that benefits package, it was like, okay, I can reopen this up to retire at age 50. 54, 57, somewhere in there. I got to look at my paperwork, but it's on the radar. And it just taken off with this business. We really didn't know what to expect, going out there, sharing, but there's just becomes a lot of firsts for us, going on vacations more often. Bridget and I weren't flyers. Now, we fly, so that's a first coming out of, getting out of our comfort zone, purchasing the farm. That was a dream of mine for 20 plus years, and just really didn't think that was a reality until, we got this business started and we made it a reality. So there's just been a lot of firsts with this opportunity with the Juice Plus company. And the health, I know I touched on it, but the health insurance package, that's, as soon as we get that, that's when I'm going to retire. We're going to retire Bridget as soon as we pretty much hit SSC, strong. So that's going to be putting us at probably a 12 club. So we're definitely looking forward to what this business is going to bring to a new life for us. So, Bridget.
All right. So in closing, we want to thank you all for joining us tonight. If anything resonated with you while you were listening live or watching the recording, we urge you to reach out to the person who shared it with you to get your questions answered. For us, although we were quite skeptical, we saw this, we asked ourselves one question: what if? What if this thing could work? What would an extra $1,000 to $2,000 a month mean for us in our life right now? What could that mean for us in our future? We're so glad we did it. We're not sure where our life would be, time, money, relationships. So we want to say to you guys, if you're looking to break out of what you're doing, often we have to change our lives. We have to change our lives to change. We've got to look outside the box. Right now, maybe this business is a little outside the box. We know it's becoming more and more the norm because of social media, internet, word of mouth. It's the way we find things out. So until then, we want to say a big thank you, and we will get to see you guys on the other side of this, maybe at a conference or at one of our big events. It's an amazing community. It's been an absolute pleasure to jump on and share with you guys what we're up to. Have a great night.
Thanks.